Hello everyone, my name is Mackie and this is RC Modify. Today we have an IMX 2.0 from Max Speed Technology. This thing is an RTR ready to run. It's been assembled, tuned, and drifted at their facility. It should be able to drift right out the box. Let's just see what's inside. This one comes with an AMG GT3 body. The paint job and sticker placement are okay, not too bad. You guys already know how I paint the bodies. I put the lights behind the paint and I make sure that no light can go through it, and this is why. The body is not drilled, that's a good thing. Comes with light buckets, a spoiler brackets, and side mirrors. We got some tools. Some of the stickers that didn't use will work with the body later. I got a battery for the car, 4 AA batteries for the transmitter. Let's fire it up. The gyro is working. The brake is awesome, it just stops. Let's try it out on the carpet. It did pretty good on the carpet. Let's see how it does on the asphalt racetrack. Poorly made by Dark Dragon Wing. The gyro helps a lot. It's all gyro. It did very good overall. The gyro plays a big role here for the RC rear-wheel drive drifting. Without it, it's really hard to mimic what the gyro does or mimic what the real car steering wheel does, because this thing is limited to this and this. In the real world, you get precise turning, maybe 2 to 3 turns on each side. Until we have that, the gyro will be a requirement for rear-wheel drive drifting. It's time for RC modifying. I'm gonna remove some stickers. I'm using glue gun to get rid of the sticky stuff. The sticky icky stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna cut the vent holes and then put contour wire mesh on them. We have a cat. Look, exactly, look. AMG GT3 MST RMX 2.0. I'm gonna cut the grill in the front and take off some stickers too. It ain't easy, guys. I made some exhausts. Waiting for them to dry. I'm gonna cut the grills for real now. It's got a lot of grills. I show you guys this many times, but I'll show you guys again. I'm gonna remove the sticker exhaust and put on these exhaust tips instead. I will use flashing orange LED lights for the exhaust tips. Front light buckets are able to accept some LEDs, so that's good. The rear light buckets though, There's no place for any LED lights to be installed. I will have to make something up. I'm gonna have to paint these a little bit too. PS15 metallic grade. PS5 black. As usual, I'm using this LED light kit. Every time I want to drill a hole, I start off with an X-Acto knife. These lead buckets are very thin, so you might want to go slow with the drill. A little bit by a little bit. If you go too fast, you will ruin it. I actually have some questions for you guys. Do you have a rear-wheel drive drift car, and what is it? Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna be using these magnet body mounts. It's pretty straightforward. Just put this and cut. Tighten up the screws, and there you have it. For the side mirrors, that don't include the mirrors. So I'm gonna have to cut 2 pieces out of this thing. And then maybe use chrome or something to make it look like mirror. I found some stickers for the side mirrors. I'll just stick them on here and then cut around them. It's a lot easier now. Using the same technique, cut around it, cut to it, break it off. I'm gonna use super glue. I just found mirror sticker sheet. So I will put this on the side mirrors. I'm gonna reinforce this sticker right here using the thin double-sided tape. It's time for the spoiler. Spray rapid tack before putting on the sticker. You will not regret it. I'm gonna use copper tape on these body mounts. There will be positive, negative, forward, backward. It's pretty simple, you know, tape one here, solder to positive, tape another one here, solder to positive on this side, and so on for the rest of them. I'm replacing the 3-channel stock remote and receiver with a 6-channel remote and receiver. I need to reverse the direction of the steering. Now I have channel 3, 4, 5, 6 to play around with. It's time to wire them up. I'm starting to use these splitters more and more. It's 1 splitting into 5. You can kind of see the magnets inside here. These ones are not flushed. These ones on the other side are flushed. If you have any problem with the lights or something like that, check to see if these are making contact. Positive, negative, go to positive, negative, and you only need those on one of the channels here. And then just do the signals wires for the channel 1 and channel 2. For the LEDs, just follow the instructions and make your modification. I'm gonna do some wiring for the front headlights and the lights on the exhaust. Okay, wiring. I am going to wire things. Cutting off extra wires so that it's nice and tight. Got headlights and exhaust lights done. Now we're moving to the tail lights. I'm gonna have to make something here to hold the LED light strip. We're gonna do some magic, guys. It took me a while, guys, but I got them made. Now I'm just gonna put the white LED strip on it like that. Put double-sided tape around it and stuck it in on the body. Pretty strong. No turn signals or backup light because it's a race car. Pretty sure I'm just lazy. I should add a lift system so the ride height can be adjustable. Yeah. Now it looks like a car from Mad Max. I have 4 servos, 8 pieces of M2x8, some 3D printed parts that I designed, 3 wide servo wires, and 1 servo reverser. To check the ride height from factory, it's about from here to this tip, which is about around 8 millimeters. Check the ride height at the front, and then check the ride height at the back. I'm gonna redo the back parts a little bit. I just improved the rear parts. I also improved the front part too. It's pretty simple to install. If you just look at it, you should be able to figure out what is what. I'm gonna make the front and the rear independently go up and down. This one will be the front, this one will be the rear. Which means I need more servo reversers. Basically channel 5 and channel 6. It's super low to the point where it lifts up the front magnets. So can't go too low on the front here. Okay. However, for the rear, you can go as low as you want. Oh my goodness. I like it. I got the wires and everything. I'm gonna make it look nicer. Maybe cut a bunch of wires off. By doing this, I got rid of a lot of wires. It's time to add some sound to it because it feels a little quiet. I'm gonna update the sound first. I'll try to find AMG sound or anything that is close to it. I'm going with Continental GT sound. It's done. I'm gonna mount the speaker on the back here using some zip ties. If I can find them. Found them! I'm gonna turn the blow off valve sound down a little bit. It sounds like a dolphin. Now I'm gonna add a switch to act as a clutch so that I can rev it without the car moving forward. Actually, I'm gonna use 2 switches because this one is a brushless. It's got 3 wires. I'm gonna put a switch for A wire and a switch for B wire. I will be controlling the servo using channel 3. You've seen it before in the last video. I'm gonna make it look a little bit better here. And there you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed and find this helpful. Thank you and have a nice day. สวัสดีครับ